How to edit audio in Capcut on PC and Mac. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step then how you can edit audio in Capcut on PC and Mac, so let's dive in. First, you have to just import any audio on your Capcut project, or you can just go to the audio library and choose any audio. And now in order to edit it, you can see this is the audio over here. I'm just going to click it and it's going to be selected. And once the audio is selected, you can drag this pointer wherever you want it to be and do the editing over there. If you want to split the audio, you can simply just drag the pointer to the place where you want to split it and click the split option. And once you split it, you can now edit the remaining part, or you can just choose the other part as well. Now you have to simply go to this section, and here you can increase the volume over here if you want. And then you can also fade in or fade out the voice, and the intensity that you can set is using this bar over here. Just drag the pointer over here and then you can just increase or decrease the intensity of fade in and fade out. And then to do the loudness normalization, just check this box, and to enhance it, check this one. And for the noise reduction, voice isolation, and the channeled option, you get these boxes over here. You can also change the voice by going to the voice changer. Now you're done with the basic settings. You can now move to the voice changer option. And now here you get a lot of voice filters that you can choose from. You can scroll down and see more. And then in the voice character, you'll get more of the character voices. And then you can go to the speech to song, and here you can just change the speech to song. And now you have this third column that says speed, and here you can just increase the speed or decrease the speed by just dragging this pointer over here, and that's going to just increase or decrease the speed of the selected voice. And you can also increase the duration if you want, and you can change the voice tone as well. And that's the process that you can follow to edit audio on Capcut. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.